Oh, yeah, you guys.
Do they get into it?
Oh, we're kicking. They do. Those are the two ones from
Hooten?
Hooten. They get into it once in a while. Come back over here and eat some bread. Come on. Come back over here and eat some bread. Well, we lost Zoe. She had a little baby and didn't quite make it. So just a week or so ago.
Yep.
Now you boys. Look, Braden, they're being boys. Say, Braden has a little.
They're acting like boys.
Braden has a little 2-month-old brother. Kelly's feeding him right now. Yeah.
He's going bye-bye.
He's got a little brother Tanner. Oh, sweet. 2 months old.
Yeah.
That's a fun age. And how old are you? Are you 3 or are you 2?
2.
2. That's a fun age.